Good evening, friends. Hope you had a profitable day today. Let's quickly analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So, in front of me, this is a Nifty chart which you might have seen earlier as well if you are watching the videos. So, let's quickly analyze. It is on a daily chart. So, if you see, yesterday this line was like this. On daily chart, it was coming down, and today it again pulled back. So as of now, Nifty is almost at the support line, which is drawn, and you're watching this since last few days. These two lines. So it is almost at a support and seems to be progressing upward. So um, if you see it like this, it is just above this line here. So it has barely crossed it. In fact, it was up, it came down, and then again survived. So let's see it on weekly basis, like how it is going. So on weekly as well, if you see that it is just above this support line, so it is surviving somehow. So that's why we are still not giving aggressive shortfalls in Nifty because still the trend is positive from our side on long term. So if you see on monthly basis as well, so still it is positive. So similarly, if you see, okay, let's see Bank Nifty in a minute. Let's go on a daily chart and see the resistance and support for Nifty for tomorrow. So the first resistance would be somewhere around 9971, and then daily resistance is almost at the same level at 10,400 level. So let's see on intraday basis what should be the up and down. There is no limit, but still we can try to guess what would be the limit in that after what point we can go short or long or something like that. So today as well you see that it has taken support on this line and then bounced back again. So it is surviving from this line. So let's see on a hourly basis what will be the support and resistance next level for it. So if you see then pivot point is 9972 and the same is its first resistance kind of thing from our side. And another resistance is at 10,370 on higher side. If it goes lower side, then first support would be this black line. It is at around 9885 level, 9881 level. Then again, this should be the bounce back area at 9853. Plus minus 20 may happen. Sometimes it takes plus minus 20 points to bounce again. And then if not bounce comes down, then it would be around 9657. So let's quickly analyze Bank Nifty as well. Okay, on Bank Nifty, if you see that it has clearly survived these two support lines which you are seeing since last few days when we had started these videos. So the upper side first resistance would be at 20377. Next point would be 20647, and then it is 21765, and then we do have a 22407, and on lower side first resistance should be this purple line. It is a 2046, then 19528, and then our the drawn line which is early, that is 19363. Let's quickly see the daily trend and weekly trend of Bank Nifty as well. So on a daily basis, if you see Bank Nifty is trying to come up, so it is at its resistance of at resistance at 20385. So it should try to come up, and support is at 19488. So next level is 20784, almost 500 points from here. And next is that is around 22k. Let's quickly see it on a weekly basis as well, how the trend is going. So on weekly, if you see that the line is down, it's just only 2 days in a week. So it would be having 2, 3 more days. So this line can come like this or may come like this. If it comes like this, then 19962 is the support as of now on weekly basis. And this should act as a resistance at 22k. Let's see on monthly basis. In monthly basis, it is showing that it is coming upward slowly, slowly and progressively. It should try out at least 21,104 pretty soon. Not tomorrow, but maybe soon. That's it from my side, guys. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.